Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Mario. Today we're making chili dogs, my favorite food. No, we're not making chili dogs, we're making steak. Wait, what? No, we have our special guest here, Sonic the Hedgehog. Hi everybody, I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. Yeah, everybody knows. Okay, that's not way past cool. Anyway, Sonic, I'll get the water ready, you get the steaks. Okay. We're first gonna need to put in 6 cups of water. I have already done so. And then turn on the heat to medium or low. So Sonic, did you get the steaks? Did you say steaks or snakes? I said the steaks. Then we have a problem. Hey, Sonic, now my steaks are ruined because you got snakes and not steaks. I already got the water going, so go find something else in the pantry. Okay. No. No. Got it, it's fine. Mac and cheese, my favorite. I thought your favorite was chili dogs. Shut up. Thank you. You like my mac and cheese, you jerk. Got something. What? Mac and cheese. Alright, just start making the mac and cheese. You get rid of these snakes. Yes, sir. Okay. So, where do you want me to put the snakes? Just put them on the table. Okay.
A lovely day to relax.
Once your water is boiling, add your shells. And then gently stir for 10 to 12 minutes. Here, Sonic, have the box. Okay. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so let's turn this off and drain the water. After pouring the shells into a container like this, make sure to get all the water out of your shells. After draining the water, add your shells back to the pot. Almost finished now. And last but not least, we have to add the cheese to the macaroni to make it the best mac and cheese you've ever tasted. Then stir everything together. And now that we're finished making the mac and cheese, some of my friends have come to try our mac and cheese. Let's eat. It was good, but mine's better. I loved it! I liked it. It was pretty good. It was fine. I probably would have did it again. I hate it, and I hate all of you. Thank you for watching Cooking with Chef Mario. See you next time, guys.